Hey guys, I finally got a new drone. This is from Holy Stone. This one is the Hs440. I'm going to do the unboxing of this drone and the setup, and also do my first flight on this drone. The box of this drone is relatively bigger than the previous one that I had. The previous drone that I had was the Hs430. The Hs440 came with this bag, and inside this bag there is everything that you need for your drone. The Hs430 didn't have a bag, a carry bag for the drone. I think including a bag is very good. You can carry the drone anywhere you want with the bag and have all the accessories inside the bag also. And even if you want, you can have a power bank in order to charge your drone on the fly. First impression, this drone is relatively bigger than the previous one, the Hs430. The build quality is relatively the same and the drone is very lightweight. The Hs440 has a built-in HD camera 1080p. This is the previous drone that I had. This one is the Hs430. You can see the body of this drone is very small, and also the propellers are really small. The Hs430 is a very good drone for beginners, and you can have a lot of fun while you have this drone and play around with it. The controller for the Hs430 is the same as the Hs440, and at the top there you can put your smartphone and have a visual of the drone. Inside the bag of the Hs440 you have one battery that comes with the drone, and it is only one battery. The Hs430 did come with two batteries. On Holy Stone's website they are saying that the battery can run for 20 minutes maximum. Obviously the batteries for the controller last longer than the battery for the drone. One thing to know is that the controller does not come with any battery. You need a set of batteries in order to have your first flight. Inside the bag you're going to find a few items in order to do the maintenance of your drone and change the propeller. You have a few paperwork including the manual that is very useful in order for the pairing of your drone with your smartphone and the pairing of the drone with the controller. Here's the drone, the Hs440. You can see it is relatively bigger than the previous one, the Hs430. This one should be really good and powerful and work well in windy situations. The only thing left now is to insert the battery and turn the drone on, connect it with the controller. To turn the drone on you need to long press on the power button. You're going to see it blinking. The drone is going to continue blinking until you pair it with the controller. For the controller, long press on the power button, and after that joystick left, up and down. Then you need to press both joystick to -45 degrees. All these instructions are on the white paper that was on the controller. Once the motors are on, you need to press one button on the controller for lift. Please do not fly it inside if you do not have experience controlling the drone.